something like this. I want the decoder with active high and using the OR gate. What is my equation? It's like this. Okay, now who can solve this? I want decoder active high with the gate OR gate. Now solve it please. Can you tell me what is my input? How many inputs? 3. Agree. A, B, C. Output? How many? 5. What? 5 for this sentence? No, just 7, 6, 4, 1, 0. As I tell you, now decoder has a separate personality. Means that now decoder is one personal parts in our design. Okay. Instead of no, it's something like car example that I tell you. You should just drive the car. I don't want that you know what is the part consists of wheel, it has the engine, or it has any other parts. Okay, any option it has or it don't. We just want to drive the car. Okay, this part of design is just driving the car. It's not knowing what is inside of the car. Okay. Now, which gate? OR gate. Simple. Any problem? Can we solve one more? Please.
If it was
active low means that my output should be low.
So the inputs, you don't put the non
inputs no. Inputs cannot be active low or active high. Inputs is just manner. It should be 0 and 1. It's combination of 0 and 1. Okay?